What is up? I am back with another video, and you guys have asked for it, the updates on hair regrowth using detumescence therapy, derma rolling, and minoxidil. So the reason it's taken so long, a lot of things have happened in life, as well as I lost a lot of hair in one day. So I'm going to tell you guys, these hats right here, perfectly fine. I know a lot of you guys are like, your problem is that you wear hats all the time. No, that's not my problem. The whole thing about wearing one specific hat that pulled out all of my hair that I was regrowing, all the baby hairs, they weren't attached very good. Do not put a beanie on when it gets cold. Those things have so many fibers, they hold on to every single little hair, and they ripped everything out about last December. So I just didn't make a video. I lost all my hair again that I was regrowing. I mean, I didn't lose all my hair, I just lost the new ones. So it just was back to square one. And right now I'm going to reveal what it looks like right now. There's going to be a red dot right there where I have my hat on because I do wear one quite a bit. All right, so look at the hair. It's a little thin, but it is still growing and we have progress. I have a very bright light on it right now so that you can see what's going on with it. So I will put the three to the test in order. My least favorite, detumescence therapy. It is time consuming and I don't feel like I got too much out of it unless you have like a machine that does it, girlfriend, wife, whatever. Second, derma rolling. I feel like derma rolling is not meant for long term. I started to get some like rough scalp, dandruff, really bad little zits on my head, pretty much because I was doing it once a week for about 8 months, and I feel like it was just dirty. And I was cleaning the little derma roller. I don't know what was going on, but the number one favorite of mine is Minoxidil, and the reason why, it's super easy to apply once in the morning, once in the evening. You can do it pretty much every day forever. Don't just do a 90-day cycle and expect your hair to start growing after that. Continue it, because if you don't continue it, you start thinning again. So that one keeps your hair fuller, it keeps it regular, and it doesn't really take much time, so it's super easy. If you have something, a secret, I want to know about it. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe first and then comment below what your secret to full hair growth is. I have gotten a bunch of dumb comments out of the thousands of video views, and I've gotten some really good ones that I need to research some more. So if you have a really good actual solution, I want you to comment below and maybe tag some links that you've used that are proven, that will help me out and help the many other people who are interested in this. So I'll tell you guys where I've been. So I pretty much sold everything that I own except for my car, the gym, and that guitar over there, a TV and a bed. Why did I do that? It's because I want to travel a lot. I sold one of my businesses, Inkbox. I didn't sell the gym, I still own that. So today the 4Runner is actually getting purchased, which I'm super sad about, but in order to do what I want to do, the 4Runner has to go and the Mercedes Sprinter has to come in to play. So I'm purchasing a Mercedes Sprinter this week. I'm gonna be converting that into a camper van. So there's pretty much gonna be a shower, a toilet, there's a bed, there's a kitchen, there is anything and everything. It's gonna be a mini house. So if you haven't seen any videos on that, you need to check out the Vanlife. I am about, I would say 6 months away from setting onto the roads, all right? So I'm gonna be building it out myself. I'll be taking videos and figuring out how to do it all myself. I'm a handyman, but I've never built a house, let alone a house inside of a van. So we're gonna figure it out. If you wanna figure it out with me, stick around, hit subscribe. But that's pretty much it for the video, y'all. I'm going to continue to make some videos about the hair cycle that I'm going through as soon as I figure out a couple other things to do. So like I said, hit them in the comments. I'm gonna try them out, make videos about it, and experiment with it, all right? I will see you all in the next video.